Okay, so the question asks what percent of 12 billion is 2 billion? This is a really typical transition point from algebra, from pre-algebra to algebra. So it's a really good idea to spend some time on this. All algebra is saying, look, instead of guessing what the answer is, I'm going to assume I know what the answer. I'm going to assume it by assigning a thing called a variable. So literally, we're going to walk through here and get an equation out of this. Once we have an equation, translate a word problem into equation, we can solve it. So x percent, let's put a percent, of means multiply. Okay, so x percent of 12, I'll just put a b here for 12 billion, is equal to 2 billion. Okay, so we literally translated this first sentence into an equation. Okay, now word of caution, percent is a very interesting thing to take care of. Percent literally means per 100. Okay, so it's something divided by 100. So we're going to translate this into x divided by 100, x of what 100 times 12 billion is equal to 2 billion. Okay. Now, as with anything else, what involves a variable, let's say if I give you a 3x equal to 21 and ask for you to solve x, you're going to divide by 3 on both sides. So you're going to have x equal to 7. Well, I'm going to do exactly the same thing here. I'm going to leave x by itself. So for now, I'm going to do this to get my 12 billion divided. Okay, so 2 billion divided by 12 billion. The reason I didn't want to write it out before is billion gets canceled. Okay, that's a whole bunch of zeros. So now I have x over 100 is equal to 2 over 12. Or if you want, you can even simplify this. It's 1 over 6. Okay. From here, I always tell my students, the easiest way to solve an equation involve a fraction is this thing called a butterfly. I want you to literally draw a butterfly over here. Okay, here's my butterfly over here. And then you have 6 times x. Remember, this has to have an equal sign in between. I tell my student this is really the gut of the butterfly. So 6 times x is equal to, see my equal sign still stays, 1 times 100, which is 100. So x is equal to 100 divided by 6. And if you use a calculator, you'll see this is roughly equal to 16.7. So basically, okay, 16.7% of 12 billion is 2 billion. All right, have a confident day.